If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry.
Like, wow, okay, wow, so many people come on live already, like, wow, many people are very good. Wow, I see, wow, Nanda, I see Nai, I see Asute, wow, all the different people coming in. Hey, wow, these are my regular. Sophie, hey, Sophie, hello, Sophie.
Hello, Lao Pan. Long time no see.
Hey, long time no see. Yes.
Lao Pan.
Where you go, Wow.
Lao Pan, I very busy, nowadays. Then right, Lao Pan, I got TLP, I got this course, senior teacher course. So very stressful. That's why I look at your life, I become more lively. And I very long never buy your fruits. So today I want to see what fruit you sell. I want to buy. So
yeah, you can see what's this?
Wow, what's that?
Watermelon.
Wow, very long. Normally you sell durian. Today you sell watermelon.
Wow. No season yeah. So sell some other green fruit Very close also green watermelon also.
But Lao Pan, today then I got homework, Lao Pan. My teacher just now said that think of an object to connect it to education. Now I look at you
this one easy. Wow. You see I smart,
right?
You can help me
You can help me
Can, because I go for what skill future credit
Okay.
The one I attend the course now I upgrade already. Everybody must upgrade. Sell fruit also must upgrade. Education, let me see how. Okay, I got inspiration. To me, I think education is like watermelon. Why did I say so? Because it can exist in many different forms. So education, you see, like watermelon, many different forms. You have normal watermelon, like I see this Malaysian watermelon, red watermelon. Then we have the yellow watermelon. How to tell? All green, right? Very simple. Lighter and darker green, the differentiation is more, right? I learned this new word, skills of differentiation. Okay, that's the yellow watermelon.
Differentiation,
I just now very popular. Then now see got small one, smaller watermelon, very popular from Thailand. Okay, so many different kind of watermelon, just like education. Then how to serve the education? Let's see. You must also think education, your child can take it or not. Whether the child is right for the education. That comes to ripe watermelon. See, like this type of watermelon. By right, this type of watermelon, the stalk very green, not that ripe. And then you choose those that the stalk is older and the yellow spot is yellower. It should be ripe. Then you cut the watermelon. So since you're my long time customer, I cut one FOC, but later you must buy. Okay?
Sure, confirm Lao Pan. I loyal customer.
So I help you since you got problem with your what TLP. TLP. Okay, TLP. So education, who is the one to teach the education? You, right? Teacher, right?
Yeah, lor.
Okay. So teacher need to serve the education to the children. But how to serve? You all need the knife, right? So knife is like your tool, your teaching tool. But is it any kind of knife will do? No? Watermelon can use any type of knife. What? Big knife, long knife, small knife. You see all the knife can get there. What? But you see a watermelon so big, you need small knife cut until the cows come home, right? So you must use the correct knife. Then, is it all the time must use knife? Can, but every knife cannot. This knife cannot. Butter knife cannot. What? How you cut? Right? So it doesn't work that way. So you must have the correct skill set. I use the teacher's skill properly. So I also learned this thing. I heard that I read one article, skillful teacher, just like your knife. If you are not skillful, use a knife the wrong way. How to cut the watermelon? Turn it the other way around, sharp you can cut. Then sharpness, you also need to sharpen your tools, right? That's why your government very good, say for what skill upgrading, go for TLP, so that you can, like this, sharpen your knife. Anyway, sharpen ready, you can cut it properly. If not, it's not sharp, you cannot cut watermelon. Forever you cannot do it. Right? Then now let's get the real deal, cut the watermelon. Okay, let me move the yellow watermelon out of the way, then you can see. Okay, so let's cut the watermelon. So I'll cut the watermelon. You're my long time customer, so I'll cut for you, but you must remember to buy. Okay, so by right, this one is the right one. Okay, let's see. Okay, cut the watermelon. So I use a long knife, proper knife to cut the watermelon. I don't want to use chopper, very hard to cut. Okay, I also don't want to use the small knife, remember. Okay, right tools. Cut the watermelon. Red watermelon. No joke, Okay, very right. Yeah, I put this here, okay, for you to see. Okay, real watermelon, not joke, no masak one, because you come my channel, I confirm sell you the real fruit. Okay, then you see, how you serve to the children, the learner. They say they all call me what adult learner, but for you it's gina like learner. Sometimes those children, they can just take the whole chunk of watermelon, eat on their own, take spoon and bite. They want very advanced. Okay, they can do what monster learning style. Some they want to eat that way. Okay, no problem. But there are others who like to do different pattern. Then you can use scoop, to scoop like that. I see. Then you have the correct. Then you make whatever dessert one. The most important thing, they eat the watermelon. Then of course you see sometimes in the supermarket, they cut 1/4, then they sell 1/4 like that, right? Watermelon. Then you go food court, they cut and then they sell one slice like that. Correct. Then want to present it nicely. Sometimes education must present it nicely, so they cut away the skin. Here, like that. See, so stand alone like that. No green color thing. People don't like to see the green color. They're very funny. They buy, they don't want to see green. But when they eat, they want to see the green one. Then sometimes we serve into a smaller portion for the people. Smaller portion. How do you do that? Same thing. Just cut away the skin.
Wow.
Serve on the plate.
Laupan.
Yeah, of course. Then see, serve on the plate. Then they take the fork. Then they can eat. Then sometimes people lazy. They don't want to eat like that. They want to make juice or smoothie. Same thing. Cut. Come up ready. Okay. They just chop. Inside. Okay. You can make what? Like that. Take the blender. Okay, like that. Then you add some water and sugar. Then you can make juice for the students already. They also have education in different forms, different format. Don't just everyday read book. So you see the watermelon is so versatile. SOP. Actually, I thought of a very funny thing I want to ask you. See whether you know. The watermelon, other than this type, in what ways are they presented?
They make into flower shape.
Yeah, they cut all the pattern, right? That reminds me. My own children, they don't want to eat the watermelon. So what I do? The day Christmas, right? So they say what Christmas tree. Then okay, then cut.
Yes.
Christmas tree, then they start to eat like that. Then the one entice them. See nowadays commercial people very good. I also sell this one. See, you mix the coconut with the watermelon, can also sell. Never mind, you don't want like that. So you're driving how the watermelon very messy. Don't worry.
Wow,
watermelon sweet. Anyway, you also want. Then you see, you buy from me, I also can tapao for you. I can tapao put in a nice container for you. No older one, very, very nice. Amazing, right?
Yeah,
correct.
amazing.
Then some more, not the end. Then your Mati always like to bake, right? Use this one, cut. Then what you have? You have all the star-shaped one now, here. Then let your children go and eat. Take toothpick, put inside the bento box for breakfast, all this. But this one you buy on your own. I don't provide all these things. So it's still star-shaped watermelon. Okay? So I tell you, this watermelon goes very well in anything, just like education. You just need to cater to the different learners. I think got different learners. Like my time, I'm a hands-on learner, right? So there are different type of learners that use this different type of technique that can work. I call my son to show you actually education, you need feedback. I do something for you. Boy, come here. You go like watermelon. Okay. You want to eat watermelon?
No.
Do you want to eat watermelon?
No.
You see, in education, you must try and try it. Do you want to eat watermelon? Yes. See, now they want education. Very good. Bite. Or not?
No.
Sometimes I need a bit of coercion. Sweet or not? Sweet or not?
Yes.
See, now they learn. They like it sweet. So would you like to try other types?
Yes. May I try the yellow watermelon?
You see, he asked for yellow watermelon. Then uncle sell yellow watermelon. Teachers also must provide different type of education for the child because they're ready to learn. Self-directed learning. Steady, bo. Steady, right? Okay, thank you. Aboy, go. So remember to buy from me, You learn my lesson already, no? Then last one. I ask you, why, You see the mango, got dry mango, right?
Yeah.
Durian, your favorite, also got dry durian.
Yeah.
Then you got dry jackfruit.
Yeah.
How come watermelon cannot be dry?
Because it's supposed to be juicy.
Teacher, if your lesson is dry, who want to listen? No, lesson must be interesting,
but
cannot be
you
dry.
got me lah.
Education cannot be dry. I tell you.
see.
So want to buy or not?
After this, I tell
Hey,
you.
better time you buy.
I will tell my TLP
I see a
group.
lot of orders coming already.
Okay. I tell my TLP group to buy watermelon. And
I love your knife stories. We must use different tools to teach different students. Am I right?
Then education give different form.
yeah. Okay.
Bite size, exist in different shape, a buffet of choices. You understand not?
Lapan.
Then always remember to ask for feedback. Feedback. Okay, remember to buy. Remember buy. Okay, a lot order already. I got no time. Hurry up.
Lapan, thank you. I'm busy.
See you.
Okay.
Remember to order. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. Lost to myself, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even.
Hi everyone. As teacher leaders, we are better equipped with new knowledge that enhances our SCK and PCK. We have shared best practices on TNL with our fellow colleagues. We have mentored, guided, and supported our teachers. In short, we have led by example. As teacher leaders, we believe that we can impact and influence our fellow colleagues with the knowledge that we have gained through our TLP1 modules, be it PBL, SCL, or even DI. In addition, we believe that we can impact teaching and learning by redesigning our curriculum to meet the needs of our diverse learners. Before we end, we like to say this. We come together, we learn together, and we grow together. That's all for today. Bye.
Embarking on this TLP voyage has been demanding but rewarding. I'm very thankful for the opportunity to learn with and from other teacher leaders. It has enabled me to see familiar ideas and concepts with new eyes and connect them with new experiences and knowledge. I've also gained a new awareness of who I am, my strengths and areas for growth, and I do feel that I'm now better equipped for my role. Going back to school, I want to champion for a more positive and vibrant mentoring culture.
Embarking on the TLP journey has been rejuvenating. I'm thankful for the protected time to immerse in such rich learning. Through TLP, I reframed my perspective, reconnected with learning theory, and co-constructed new meaning of curriculum, pedagogy, and assessment. The TLP group has been a wonderful source of support in learning alongside and of one another. I now have a renewed sense of purpose as a teacher leader and look forward to strengthening purposeful relationships back at school to continue my voyage in growing teachers and students.
This TLP voyage has been highly rewarding for me. All the learning theories, the hands-on activities, learning from the best practices shared by all of you, and opportunities to co-construct new knowledge have given me greater confidence to model the way as a teacher leader and inspire a shared vision that every child can learn.
As I travel on this voyage of professional teaching, I gradually discover more about my own practice. And when looking back, I can often identify key events or aha moments when I became aware of insights that moved me forward. Learning is indeed a lifelong voyage of discovery. As a teacher, I learn now that as I travel to experience the new knowledge, insights, and skills that I acquired during this TLP, I would like to share this with my teachers back in school. I truly appreciate the rich insights from all the teachers here who have shared many poignant moments in their teaching lives, and I hope we can continue to learn together.